Hi there guys and girls, so in this lesson we're going to be looking at the Paradiddle-Diddle and the Para-paradiddle. Let's get into it. Okay then guys and girls, so we're going to have a look at the Paradiddle-Diddle. Now in the previous episode we looked at a paradiddle. I'll pop if you haven't seen it yet, I'll pop the link at the top hand corner. So basically a paradiddle-diddle is you've got two extra notes to make up the whole phrasing. Okay, so the paradiddle part is right, left, right, right, and the extra diddle is the two lefts. Okay, now I've written it out in quavers, so just to make it easy to understand, and because there's only 6 notes, I am doing a 6 there, I've only got 5 fingers. Because there's only 6 notes, we need 2 rests to make up the bar, okay? So this is what a quaver note rest looks like. So it's all on the snare drum. We've got 2 different types of sticking, because we're going to play the pattern through once, and then again, to make so we're learning with both our right and our left hand leads. And the count for it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now remember, we don't play the last 2, so the 4 and the and we won't be playing. So the sticking is right, left, right, right, left, left. And then we're going to play through again, left, right, left, left, right, right. Okay, so that's a paradiddle-diddle. So if you'd like to follow along with me, and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so we've got right, left, right, right, left, left. Left, right, left, left, right, right. So that makes up the whole phrasing. So there's 2 different ways to count it. You can either count it as the quavers, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right, left, right, right, left, left, rest, rest, left, right, left, left, right, right. So now we're going to look at it, what it looks like in 16th notes, and we're going to speed it up a little bit. Now we've split it into 16th notes, so we can fit the pattern in twice, but we're still 4 notes short. So for ease, all I've done is I've put 4 16th note rests on the end. Okay? So you can tell the 16th note rests because they've got an extra tail in them. So it's all on the snare drum. And the sticking for this is going to be right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, right. So that's our 2 groups of paradiddle-diddles. Okay? Sticking for this, the counting for this is going to be 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4. But we don't play on the 4, just count it as a whole note rest. Right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, right. Okay, so I'll play that for you and see how it sounds. Right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, right. Right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, right. Counting for this, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4. Okay, sorry, I had to look at the music then to make sure I was getting the sticking right. So 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and okay, so now we're going to try to speed it up a little bit. Okay. Okay, so if you're going to use this as a filling, the 4 16th note rests at the end, you could just make 16th notes on the snare drum or on a tom or anything like that. So you could go right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's how you fill out the bar rather than having the rest if that's what you wanted to do. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the para-paradiddle. Okay then, so with the para-paradiddle, it goes right, left, right, left, right, right. Now that phrasing is how it is because the para is a right and a left, and the diddle is just the 2 strokes with each hand, okay? So you got para-paradiddle, okay? So I've written it out in quavers again. You've got your 2 half note rests, and the sticking for this is right, left, right, left, right, right, break, and then we're going to go left, right, left, right, left, left. Counting is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I'll play that for you and let's see how it goes. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, right, left, left. Para, paradiddle. Para, paradiddle. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, right, left, left. So I'll do that now as 16th notes, and so we can see how that looks on the sheet of music, and we'll go from there. Okay then guys and girls, this is written out in 16th notes. Once again, the phrasing fits twice in a group of 12, and then we've got 4 16th note rests at the end to make up our bar. Okay, so the sticking for this, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. And the count, 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4. But you can also count it para, paradiddle, para, paradiddle, depending on which you find easiest. Okay, so I'll play that for you and let's see how it sounds. Right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, slow down a little bit. Right, left, right, left, right, right. Left, right, left, right, left, left. Okay, but we're going to play them as a whole phrase. So right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. 1 E and that, 2 E and that, 3 E and that. Okay, 1 E and that, 2 E and that, 3 E and that. Okay, so I'll just play it a little bit quicker for you. Okay, so that's the para-paradiddle. As with all these, move them around the kit, feel free to express yourself, practice it using all the voices available, cymbals, toms, bass drum. I will do another exercise where we turn the paradiddle and the paradiddle-diddle into fillings, and then maybe intermix the 2 together. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I hope you found it useful to yourselves. Please comment down below if you have any questions or anything you'd like to ask me. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.